In Rainy quotes, Dwight is credited with saying, "We share something in common with the fabric of the whole universe that connects us." This thought isn't new, but on October 25th, 2015, I came face to face with it. Now I know. I don't know how I know, but there's the rabbit hole, the smile, the sounds that I hear and the words in my mind. For Dwight, it's that sound, the expression of loneliness. That's what it's all about. For me, it's the fear of the closeness, the kind of becoming that's all about the sound. It's all about the sound. I don't see the connections. I hear them in the nuance of the word, the way those nuances evoke whole songs. I don't have to listen because I hear. The stillness inside is the sound of connection.